Hey everyone, this is March 14th, 2023 in Jaffrey, New Hampshire, and we have a big storm that I want to show you. And I've been cleaning this snow. I started cleaning at around 8 o'clock this morning. I've cleaned the cars off probably like 3 times so far, and yep, it just keeps snowing. As you can see, I put on my snowshoes so I can walk around. I'm gonna see if I can get to the center of town, but I have some down power lines. I don't know if you can see that. In front of my house, my internet cable is the one that's on the ground. The other one is pulled from the house a tiny bit. I don't know if you can see that, but there's some wires. We still have power. We actually still have internet, so I'm gonna leave that wire there. They said don't touch it, so I just marked the street so nobody, well, I doubt anyone's gonna walk or drive down this street anytime soon. This isn't a main street, so they don't plow it too often. And this street here is a side street. Oh, there's a truck going by. The main road is actually up there, and that's Jaffrey Center out that way. So we'll see how it goes. Still see me? Still see behind me? Yeah. Wow, they've been plowing this. I've heard trucks plowing for a while, but right now it's like 1 o'clock, and that's our street. There hasn't been a plow coming down there since probably last night or something. But we're gonna keep going. I'm just curious to see what the center of town looks like by the traffic light. It shouldn't take too long to get there. But we'll see the post office first. I'm gonna walk on what is usually a sidewalk. These snowshoes really help a lot. But it is gorgeous. It's so beautiful out here right now. You can see all the snow clinging to the trees, even though it's pretty windy. You can see the snow going sideways right now from the north. That's the north direction. It's a nor'easter for sure. Yeah, I might even stop this video and pick it up again in a minute, but we'll just go to the post office, and then from there I might take another video from the post office to the town center. I'm just curious to see what the main road looks like. It's actually not too cold, believe it or not. The wind chill makes it feel probably like, I'd say 28, and the wind's blowing pretty hard, so when the wind's not blowing, it's like just 32 degrees, which is why it's such a sticky snow. If it was colder, it would just blow away. Would have been nice, would have been easier to clean, but wow, look at that. I'm gonna have to walk off the sidewalk for a minute to see all this snow here piling up. We probably have, I'm gonna guess, 2 feet of snow. Wow, check it out. Yeah, they did a pretty good job considering cleaning these sidewalks. People are still doing their driveways and such, but oh man, gotta get out of the road here. And that's the post office over there. So we'll just cross the street. It's clear. Thanks. Yeah, they do. Just plowing their driveway or something, I don't know. But man, it's a whiteout. It's can't even see the center of town from there. This is abnormal for our area. We usually get around 1.5 feet, but 2 feet is a little bit more than what we usually get in a typical bad snowstorm. So we're used to the snow here, but this is like everything is shut down. Nothing's really in operation. I'd be surprised if even the post office was, well, I don't know, they're cleaning stuff there. But, wow, look at that pile of snow. This is pretty beautiful though, man. It's pretty awesome. I like it. Alrighty. So I'm gonna stop the video now. And I'll take another video once I get to the center. Alright, see you guys later.